Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking the account. Follow these easy steps to do it, and the process will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app, and now all you have to need, go to the Facebook account whom you want to restrict, or you can tap on your profile photo and here just tap on see more and tap on friends or find friend, and here tap on your friends and you will directly jump into your Facebook friend list. Now all you have to need, go ahead and search for the account whom you want to restrict, and now just tap on friends and here tap on edit friend list, and here just select restricted. And another option is go back from here, go back to the user profile page and tap on friends and just tap on take a break, and here scroll down and come to this section, limit what the account profile will see. Just tap on see options and here select hide your post from the profile. Put this profile on your restricted list so he won't see your posts that are shared with friends unless you tag his profile. So all you have to do is select this option and just tap on save, and the profile will be restricted without blocking. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.